Welcome to Breaking News Today. I'm Miley, and I will bring you latest news on today. A few months ago, Trump changed a law that was put in place by Bill Clinton. Ironically, Democrats felt the law was way too harsh. Children was being separated from their parents at the border. After changing the law, border enforcement has seen a massive increase in families trying to cross. Donald Trump threatened on Thursday to seal America's southern border with military force unless Mexico intervenes to stop the flow of illegal immigrants traveling to the U.S. from Central America. The stern, stated warning came as a group of more than 4,000 travelers north through Mexico in the hope of reaching the United States, despite having no visas or other legal papers to enter. Trump blamed his Democratic rivals for resulting chaos, saying they want open borders and existing weak laws. He resurrected the claim that launched his White House campaign in 2015, saying that this large flow of people includes many criminals and putting the words in uppercase letters for effect. Trump on Thursday also renewed Wednesday's threat to stop all payments to Guatemala, Honduras, and El Salvador, including humanitarian aid, if their governments allow their citizens or others to journey through their borders and up to the United States. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo is scheduled to fly to Mexico on Friday. News emerges Wednesday that the number of illegal immigrants families crossing the U.S.-Mexico border has jumped 80% since Trump ended his zero-tolerance policy in June, with U.S. Border Patrol agents arresting 16,658 family members in September. That's the highest one-month total on record. The Washington Post obtained unpublished Department of Homeland Security statistics and published them 3 weeks before a contentious midterm election. While Trump is urging Republicans to make immigration their number one issue on the campaign trail, "We're getting hammered daily," said one Border Patrol agent in South Texas told the Post. The new numbers also come as a wave of immigrants in on the march from Central America. Thousands of people from Honduras, Guatemala, and El Salvador are fleeing to the United States in an effort to escape the poverty and violence that has engulfed their countries. The Department of Homeland Security, in a statement, blamed congressional inaction and said the high illegal immigrants flow would likely continue without movement on Capitol Hill. Trump is said to be considering reinstating the controversial separation policy that was criticized by members of his own party and the First Lady. He sees zero tolerance as the one thing that worked. Trump has received regular updates on the states and has told senior policy advisor Stephen Miller, who has taken the lead on immigration issues, and Chief of Staff John Kelly, that something has to change. Trump tweeted Wednesday morning, "We're hard to believe that with thousands of people from south of the border walking unimpeded toward our country in the form of large caravans, that the Democrats won't approve legislation that will allow laws for the protection of our country. Great midterms issue for Republicans." And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the duration of today's program. Thank you for watching.